Hi there, welcome back to the Legacy Tax Hub. I'm Eunice Migwe, the founder of Her Legacy Consulting, and today I am back here again reminding you guys of tax amnesty. I will not stop telling you about tax amnesty because tax amnesty is everything and it's back. As I said last time, it's your second chance at doing this afresh, at restarting, at getting a clean slate. And tax amnesty represents a chance for you to save some money. You're going to save in terms of the penalties that you're paying. You're going to save in terms of the interest you're not going to pay. And you're going to have better cash flow management because you get a chance to clear your debt in bits. So here are 4 ways you can take advantage of tax amnesty. 1, update all your missed filed returns. Either for one reason or another, you did not manage to file your return in a certain period, or you completely forgot you had to file your returns, or you had no idea you were meant to be filing returns at all. Students, diaspora people, this is for you. Kimbia to iTax, rather run to iTax today. If it's for diaspora people, file those nil returns. You'll get some penalties for every year that you've not filed your returns, 2,000 each year. But with amnesty, you won't have to pay a single coin. For you as a student as well, maybe for those 4 years, 5 years, or a couple of years you're in campus and you had a PIN and you didn't know that you were meant to be filing and now you have some penalties or never filed, go update, file your returns, and you won't have to pay any amount because you'll benefit from amnesty. Even you who are still in campus, 3rd year, 4th year, have had a PIN for the last couple of years, you don't file your returns because you don't know you're meant to file your returns, run, file your returns, take advantage of amnesty, you get a clean slate, no penalties, no interest, nothing, you're good. That's number 1 for those ones who have unfiled returns. Number 2, you got some penalties. You failed to file a couple of years, but at some point you realize, oh no, I'm meant to be filing, and now you have some penalties accumulated for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. You get to apply for amnesty as well. Just go apply for amnesty, that will be cleared, you're good. Number 3, you who has principal tax obligation because for one reason or another you did not manage to pay that tax, you get a chance to have a payment plan. So amnesty is ending in June. When February, you get, let's say, 3 or so months to clear your obligations. Honestly, take advantage of this. You will clear that obligation. You will not have to pay the interests and penalties. And you know that the interests are actually insane. I know someone who has an outstanding obligation of 6,000 from 3 years ago, and right now the total of that amount is like 20,000. That's 14K on top of the principal tax obligation that without tax amnesty they're going to pay. That's like almost 3 times of the actual principal tax. Imagine if your amount is bigger and you get to not have to pay that money. That is big savings, such big savings. Take advantage of that. Rush to iTax today, apply for a payment plan, start paying in bits. Start paying today, start paying tomorrow, but you get to clear until June, and then you won't have to pay penalties. Number 4, how to take advantage. You, for some reason or another, maybe you went to that cyber person. Again, no beef with cyber people and their hustle, but get a tax consultant to set up your PIN for you. So you went, you get an erroneous obligation in your PIN, and mostly I've seen this happen with rent, where people were getting an erroneous rental obligation, or maybe you got VAT, someone registered for you VAT while you are a student, and now you have mountains and mountains of penalties, and you can't even get rid of that obligation because you have to clear. This is your chance. Take advantage of amnesty. Go apply for amnesty. Then you get to start the process of removal of the obligation. You won't have to pay the penalties, but remember, amnesty is only applicable for December 2023 and backwards. it doesn't apply in 2024 or 2025. All these things have to be 2023 and backwards. So today, rush. I've given you 4 ways. 1, unfiled returns. 2, penalties from the past. 3, principal tax obligation. And 4, wrong or erroneous obligation on your PIN. You get to have it removed. And in all these channels, all these ways, you get to save some good money. And with that, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.